everyone, my name is Puppy and today I'll tell you about a book called A Second is a Hiccup. Can you see? It means a second is a hiccup when you hiccup, like that. It has 1 second pass. That means a second is a hiccup. Let's see what this book says. Now, a second is a hiccup. How long is a second? A second is when you want to kiss your mom, jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? A minute is when you just sing a small song or play piano, or play guitar. That's a small song. Or 60 hops, 60 hiccups, or 60 jump rope. How long is an hour? An hour when you build a sand castle. It is filled too. Or even you climb a tree and think you have a superpower. It can fill hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock. It is 1 day. A day needs filling like a cup, hiccups, kissing, songs and showers, trees and lots of flowers, breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. Play a game, watch sun sets and rises. Fall asleep and that's a day. Give me a minute. How long is a week? Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday? The third one. That's the end of the day. Weeks. Many weeks. There are 7 weeks in a day. Some quiet, some fun. Look at the girl. She's wearing her socks. He plays with a snowman. Or seeing a show here. Washing clothes. Painting a beautiful picture. Play hockey. And eat. And make some cups. 7 weeks up, 7 weeks, and you never, ever sleep in 1 whole week. How long is enough? 4 weeks adds up to 4 months. From month, lots of time to change. And it rains too. Winter, melt some ice in winter, comes spring. Birds flew and chip. And butterflies have their wings. And spread if your forehead, scrape your skin. In a month, there's a brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to flow, relax, and light. Learn to count to 10 and learn to count back and down. Winters, watch the moon grow big and fat. Then sing again. Imagine that! You can see the moon here. It is big and fat. Imagine that. When you sleep, you can imagine that too. How long is a year? A year, like you spending a year, is around. Or you can grow up changing a lot. And you're taller now. That's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain in school. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Trees on trees grow, leaves and pictures. See how whole year with pictures. Tiny babies learn to talk. Bigger babies learn to. Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays very every kind live together in a line. When your birthday almost there, you are older by a year. Changes and changes, round, round. You will grow bigger and taller, bolder. When you're ever much older. And through a house and day, as unfolds in all its way, you will be loved. The end. A second is a hiccup. Here is a picture of my book. Is this